Hello everyone, welcome to our new session. As we learned supply of law of supply definition, supply meaning in our previous video. Today we are going to learn the next part of this chapter, that is cost and revenue. This presentation will cover concept of cost, that is total cost, average cost, marginal cost. Total cost means TC, average cost AC, and marginal cost is MC. Second part, concept of revenue, total revenue, that is TR, average revenue and marginal revenue, and the last is assignment. Concept of cost: when an entrepreneur undertakes an act of production, he has to use various inputs like raw material, labor, capital, etc. He has to make payment for such inputs. The expenditure incurred on these imports is known as the cost of production. The cost of production increases with an increase in output. See, cost means expenditure. Producers spend some money on the inputs. In simple words, cost is usually referred to as opportunity cost. Means opportunity cost means what? Means the value of next highest valued alternative use of the revenue or of the resources. Cost has three types, that is total cost, average cost and marginal cost. First we see the total cost. What is total cost? It is the total expenditure incurred by a firm on the factors of production required for the production goods and services. Means total cost is the sum of total fixed cost, that is TFC, and total variable cost, that is TVC, at various levels of output. Thus total cost is equal to TFC plus TVC. What is TFC? That is cost which is incurred on fixed factor of production like land. For example, let's assume that you have a land and you pay 5,000 rupees for the land as a rent. You produce a 2,000 rupees in this land in the first month, but there also you have to pay 5,000 for the land as a rent. If you produce 7,000 in the next month, but then also you have to pay 5,000 rupees for the land as a rent. If somehow you have not able to produce anything in the next month, then also you have to pay 5,000 rupees for the land as a rent. Means in each case, whatever you produce, you have to pay 5,000 rupees for the land. You have to pay the same amount for the land as a rent. Means rent is a fixed cost, that is called TFC, total fixed cost. Here 5,000 rupees is a total fixed cost. Second is TVC, that is cost which is incurred on variable factors like labor, raw material, etc. means to the portion of the overall expenses related to the production of goods and services. For example, sales commissions, direct labor cost, cost of raw materials, use in production, utility cost, etc. Second is average cost. Average cost means it refers to total cost of production per unit. It is calculated by dividing TC by total output. Average cost are found by dividing total cost by output. That is, the formula is AC is equal to TC divided by TQ. TC means total cost divided by total quantity. Suppose the total cost of production of 2 units of commodity is 80 rupees. Then the average cost is, the formula is AC is equal to TC divided by TQ. What is TC? Total cost. How many total cost? That is 80 rupees. And the total quantity, that is 2 units of commodity. So 80 divided by 2 is equal to 40 rupees is the average cost. Next is marginal cost. It is the net addition made to total cost by producing one more unit of output. Means average cost are found by dividing total cost by output. For example, if TC of producing 2 units is 2200 rupees and TC of producing 3 units is 240 rupees. Here the formula is MC, that is marginal cost. N means additional unit, that is additional unit. MCN is equal to TCN minus TCN minus 1. TCN, total cost of additional unit. N, here N is the additional unit. So TCN, what is the additional unit? 200 additional rupees, 240 rupees minus TCN minus 1, that is a previous unit, that is a 200. So 240 minus 200 is equal to 40 rupees. Or marginal cost is equal to change TC divided by change TQ. Change, as we learned in our previous video, change means the difference between new quantity and previous quantity, or new price and previous price. So here new total cost and old total cost, that is a change TC. What is the change TC? 240 minus 200, that is 40. And change TQ, that is total quantity. New quantity, 1 is the additional quantity. So 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So 40 rupees is a marginal cost. See the table, relation between average cost and marginal cost. Output, when the unit 1 there is a total cost of rupees 20, and average cost is equal to total cost divided by quantity in rupees. So total cost, how many total cost? 20. And how many units? There is a 1 unit. So 20 divided by 1 is equal to 20 is the average cost. See the marginal cost. Marginal cost, what is the formula of marginal cost? That is TCN. N is the additional unit and minus TCN minus 1. So TCN, total cost at the additional unit, that is 20, and the previous cost, what is previous cost? That is 10. So 20 minus 10 is equal to 10. See the next unit. Suppose you have the 3 units of output. The total cost is 34. Average cost, total cost divided by quantity, that is 34 divided by 3, that is 11.3. And the marginal cost is TCN, total cost N, that is 34 minus 28, that is 6. So the marginal cost is 6. You solve this table at your notebook. Next is concept of revenue. Revenue refers to the amount received by a firm from the sale of a given quantity of a commodity in the market at various prices. What is revenue? Revenue is a form of income that is earned by the sale of goods and services. For example, in the case of government revenue is the money received from taxation, fees, fines, income, etc. That is revenue. What is the formula of revenue? Revenue is equal to quantity multiplied by price. The concept of revenue can be analyzed as total revenue, average revenue and marginal revenue. First is total revenue. It refers to total receipts from the sale of given quantity of a commodity. It is the total income of a firm. Total revenue is equal to total quantity multiplied by price. For example, if a firm sells 15 tables at a price of 200 rupees per table, then the total revenue would be, what is the formula? Total revenue is equal to total quantity multiplied by price. So the total revenue is equal to 15 tables divided by 2 multiplied by 200 rupees, that is 3000 rupees is a total revenue. Next is average revenue. It refers to revenue per unit of output sold. It refers to revenue per unit of output sold. It is obtained by dividing the total revenue by the number of units sold. Average revenue is equal to total revenue divided by total quantity. See the example. If total revenue from the sale of 15 tables in 3000 rupees, then average revenue will be, what is the formula? Average revenue, that is AR is equal to TR divided by TQ. Total revenue divided by total quantity. So what is a total revenue? That is 3000 rupees divided by 15 is equal to 200 rupees. That is our average revenue. Next is marginal revenue. It is the net addition made to total revenue by selling an extra unit of the commodity. Marginal revenue is the revenue of producing one extra unit of output, that is unit of commodity. For example, if the total revenue from the sale of 20 tables is 4000 rupees and that from sale of 21st table is 4180 rupees, then what is MR or 21st table will be? The formula is MRN, that is marginal revenue, N means additional unit, is equal to TR, that is total revenue, N that is additional unit, minus TR total revenue, N minus 1. MRN 4180 minus 4000. The additional unit, what is our additional unit? That is 4180 and the previous unit, that is 4000. So 4180 minus 4000, that is 180. Or marginal revenue is equal to change in total revenue divided by change in total number of units. As we see that change in total revenue, change means the difference between new quantity and previous quantity, or new price and previous price. Change, difference between new total revenue and previous total revenue. So the change in total revenue, what is total revenue? 4180 minus 4000, that is 180. 180 divided by change in total number of units. How many extra units? That is 1 is extra units. So divided by 1. 180 divided by 1 is equal to 180. See the table. Total average and marginal total, average and marginal revenue schedule. When the first unit output first unit and average revenue or price, that is 10, TR total revenue, what is the formula? Average revenue multiplied by quantity or price multiplied by quantity. So average revenue, how many average revenue? There is a 10 and unit 1. So 10 multiplied by 1 is equal to 10. Or suppose output or unit 4 unit and the average revenue or price, that is 7. So 4 multiplied by 7 is equal to 28. That is our total revenue. Next is marginal revenue. TRN, N is the additional unit, minus TRN minus 1. So suppose you have 2 units, average revenue is 9, then what is the marginal revenue? That is 9, 10 minus 9, right, or 18 minus 10, then 24 minus 18, 28 minus 24 and 30 minus 28. You solve this table on your text notebook. This is assignment. See the first question. Define total cost, marginal cost and average revenue. And the second question is distinguish between average revenue and average cost, total revenue and total cost. You have to write in your notebook this assignment.